this company, The Ordinary. The foundation is £5. It's not very big, but you do not need a load. This is my face every single day, and I'm gonna turn them into cake stands. I've got to talk about the pumpkins. Also, if there's something that I must try. Hello everyone, Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogtober. So today's video, I'm going to share with you my favourite things. I used to do this every month. I haven't done it in quite a long time, so I thought it was time to bring it back, and one of you actually requested it. So let's get started. In this type of video, I discuss the things that I'm loving, whether being in beauty, home cleaning, clothes, whatever. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. The first thing I want to talk about, it's actually this company, The Ordinary. I have mentioned this before on my channel, but a few months ago, maybe June, July, I had a consultation with an expert about my skin. I've always had really bad skin, not in breakout way, but as you can see with these sun damage patches, it turns out as well that it's a hormonal thing. You guys know by now that I have polycystic ovaries, so it causes all sorts of hormonal imbalances. But anyway, the lady that I saw put me on to a load of different stuff. I'm going to share that with you, but the main company that I started using was The Ordinary. And oh my god, it has changed my skin so much. I am so in love with their products. This is not sponsored in any way. I just love their stuff. So I'm going to show you the main stuff that I got at the time. I didn't get these products from the lady, and the lady doesn't make any money. The consultant that helped me doesn't make any money from their products. I bought them myself from their website. So I'm going to show you. The first one is this moisturizer. There we go. Okay. I will try and link them, everything that I talk about below. But basically, I use this. You can use this day and nighttime. There is no big one cream for the day, one cream for the evening. Use this. If I use this in the day, I have to put on sunscreen because this has no SPF stuff. So to be honest with you, I use this every night, and I use this every night with this. Let me see. Now, it's basically a vitamin C suspension, 30% in silicone, a water-free stable suspension. Okay, this makes your skin tingle. After I clean my face, I use this, and then I put this on top, and then I also put an eye cream, which I'll show you in a minute. I also bought their sunscreen. I use this sometimes as well. The reason why I don't use this all the time is because the other product that she recommended was a CC cream. This one is from number 7, but again, let me show you that later. I also changed over to their foundation. The foundation is £5. It's not very big, but you do not need a load. Now, the only thing is, because I was looking online, I couldn't really tell which one was my colour, and it turns out that I couldn't find a colour that worked for me 100%, so I've got 3 different ones. Two darker ones and a lighter one. They're all with the yellow tinge, or whatever you call it. But so the lighter one is a 2.0 YG, light medium yellow undertones with cold highlights. I've also got the 3.0, which is yellow again, medium dark yellow undertones. And I also have the 2.1 medium yellow undertones. They all have a SPS 15, which is awesome. And I find that basically adding a bit of one with the lighter, I get my colour. And I'm also very aware that if it's a different time of the year. My skin will be darker or lighter, so I adjust, and I really like doing that. I don't mind mixing them together to very quickly get a look that I like. They go on so amazing. Feels amazing. I don't feel like it's caked on. I've always used the beauty blend, not always, but you know, beauty blender has been my main thing. But again, I was told to try one of these, and oh my god, it goes on. It doesn't leave any marks. So this one is from Avon, but it's basically, you want to get a round brush sorted. So really love these, really love all the products that The Ordinary puts out. If you don't know much about this brand, I will link to their website and they explain everything. You can get it in the UK, in the US, and probably in other countries. So going on to my day cream, I have been using number 7 Youthful CC Cream, coverage light to medium. It has an SPF 15 and is hypoallergenic. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is my face every single day. You know, this is what I put on. I feel it's a little bit lighter than my skin color, but it's okay. I don't mind that. And it gives me a lovely finish. As you can see, I've used it quite a lot. I need to get some more. I really recommend you guys try this. This is from Boots, and the brand, it's number 7. It is, I think it was like £15, so it isn't the cheapest, but I've been using it non-stop every single day for 2 months, and I've still got some. If I'm feeling a bit fancier, then I can add this on top if I want. And then the eye cream that I was recommended and I really like is this one. Sukin Antioxidant Eye Serum, paraben and fragrance free. Now I have since, I'd never heard of this brand, but TK Maxx has tons of this brand. This was quite expensive. Again, I'll link it below. I can't quite remember, but I mean, I use it every day for the past 3 or 4 months. It's still up there. So you've got it for a very long time. And I use this in the evenings and when I remember, in the mornings. Okay, so that's it for creams and potions and stuff like that. The other thing that I have been loving, and if you follow me on Instagram, you probably have seen these, are these 2 beautiful candlesticks. Check it out. I found them at my local thrift shop for 20p each, and I'm going to turn them into cake stands. Okay, and I'll be sure to share that with you. I'm just going to glue a plate on top, a white plate that I love, but I just could not get over, one, how cheap I got them for, and how gorgeous they are. And they will go very well with my decor. Okay, so the next thing I want to share with you, I've got to talk about the pumpkins. I know I've shown them before, but my friends got these for me from America. These are Target pumpkins. They're $4. They still have the tag. Look, they're so cute. If you are in the UK, you understand the struggle is real when it comes to finding good looking pumpkins. And according to the little ticket, you can carve them. And that wraps up this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you want to try some of these products, and also if there's something that I must try, whether be it a cream, cleaning product, whatever. I would love to hear from you guys down below in the comments. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. And there'll be more Vlogtober tomorrow, that's for sure. And tomorrow, stay tuned, because it's a really special collaboration that I've put together with other YouTubers, and my video won't actually be out until 12 o'clock UK time. So press the notification bell so you don't forget, so you get a notification as soon as my video is out. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.